Okay. All right, Paul, I'm here. You were calling me saying that you had it, and now you don't. Okay. Let me hear. Like a different color, like a different type of dirt and rocks and stuff. That'd be the rocks. We have rocks on there, and we have white forms on land. Kenji. White forms. You want to see if there is some lemon on there, right? Tristan, let me get the last one.
How many tectonic plates has?
Big one.
Let's put tectonic plates, question mark.
You should have told us when we were doing science.
You already got a call on plates.
That's a really good question.
Great question. What if it doesn't have any? We're gonna find out. I think. Should we turn the lights off?
Yeah.
Unless it's too dark for your filming.
No, it's not. Yeah, it's too dark. No, it's too dark. Leave that one on.
Okay. Volume good.
Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, is the second smallest planet in the solar system, larger only than Mercury. Mars, as one of the 5 planets visible to the unaided eye, has been known to astronomers since ancient times. It was first recorded by ancient Egyptian astronomers about 4,000 years ago. Mars is often called the red planet because of its reddish color. Modern astronomers know that Mars is red because of large amounts of iron oxide or rust in the rocks and dust on the surface. But in ancient times, people associated its red color with warfare. That is why Mars was named for the ancient Roman god of war. Mars is a small, rocky planet, the last of the planets of the inner solar system. It is about 141 million miles, or more than 227 million kilometers from the Sun, so it gets less than half as much sunlight as the Earth does. Temperatures at the frozen poles may dip as low as negative 225 degrees Fahrenheit, or negative 143 degrees Celsius, but at the equator it may get as warm as
Return the projector.
Lights on, you mean?
No, projector.
No.
Oh. Okay, so that was a lot of information in one video. Oh, there's a lot of hands up already. All right. Since we all have ideas, let's just drop some sticks. Yeah, we ate one more.
There's 2 moons on Mars.
Remember the names? Which one of them?
I know one of them starts with a P.
With a D?
Am I thinking of a different?
No, you think of that one.
Oh, one starts with a P.
And one starts with a P.
Something like that.
There's the D and what's the P?
There's Demery and...
Logan, you got one?
Wheels?
Deimos, that was close.
It's so hard because it's
I
like...
can't remember. What was the other one? Yeah. Say it. Phobos? Deimos and Phobos, those are pretty weird moon names, right?
Yeah.
Logan, what did you get on the other learn? Oh, I'm sorry, I gotta draw sticks. I lied to you. I'm sorry. Tristan.
That has, there's a really big mountain, I don't remember the name of it.
Now, do you remember the name of the mountain? Or how big it was?
I know, Mountain Everest?
Mount Everest.
Everest? It's bigger.
It was
That's
double.
the tallest one in the U.S.
It's the biggest in the U.S., but
or in the world. I
It
mean.
can reach the
yeah,
top of the
atmosphere.
Yeah.
Remember, it reaches the atmosphere. We'll just leave that. Jada.
The moons are small enough to fit in Rhode Island.
Perfect. John G. We didn't learn that. Is that second smallest planet? Third smallest. I hear second and third.
That's the third. Second.
Everyone agrees it's second. Good. Are Mars's years the same as ours?
No.
What?
It takes 635 days to
635?
Something like 638.
I heard 30 and I heard 50. How about adding them together? 680. 688 days? Okay, well, let's just for the sake of this. More than 600 day years, right?
Yeah.
How about its typical day? How many hours is Mars's day?
24 hours and 36 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, who can give me another like big fact that we learned? What are our questions? What do we want to know? Study life forms. We learned about the possibility of life on Mars.
Yeah.
Audrey, what did you learn about?
There's no life on Mars.
No life. Could there have been though?
Yes.
And what? Like humans or animals or? Logan.
Bacteria.
Good. Put bacteria, because we don't know yet, right? What else? Okay, so there's study the life forms. We know how big it is, right? Second smallest. Who will travel there? Do we know that?
I will.
No, but we learned that there's things around that we sent around Mars, right? Good. How many?
2.
Good. Okay, put check marks down. Who will travel? We learn about the land of Mars, like what it's like. Addie.
I don't know anything about the land, but I remember there's like lines that somebody built that they found.
Canals.
Yeah, when like in the 1800s they put what they thought were canals and looked through telescopes. So it could be a.
Maybe. I don't know.
No, we should put that. We'll come back to that one. Put a circle on that. We'll come back to that. It's distance from Earth, right? We learned about how far it is from Earth.
No. Wait. Remember how far away from the sun?
Did we?
From the sun.
From the sun, right? Remember how far from the sun it is?
Like a mile.
A mile?
Yeah, no.
Way more.
No.
Yes.
Island that the big red planet was named red planet because it was the reddish color.
Okay. Because of its put red. Like that one? We don't know how many layers or tectonic plates or anything?
No.
Not really, right? Didn't tell us much about that. We learned how many moons it has. What its temperature is? I remember I saw some faces go, wow, that's cold. You remember the temperatures? I remember Haley's face for sure. What? Super cold.
250 Fahrenheit, negative.
Negative. It's 225. And how hot it got, or how hot it got? 95 is the high?
Yeah, because I think it's high. What about the Celsius? The Celsius.
Do you remember the Celsius? Was
I don't know. It's 35 Celsius. Yeah.
35 Celsius, is that the heat?
Yeah, that's really. I don't know the other one.
That's pretty cold. Negative 225, can we live in that?
No.
Or not? What?
Maybe 140.
It's 225? Negative 225. I get cold when it's 20 degrees out. Negative 225 degrees?
I remember for the
Cold.
cold one and the 41. That's what I just said.
141 or negative 141?
Negative. Yeah, negative 141.
That's freezing. Okay. Temperature, got it. distance, talk about that. What about, we don't know if it has a core, or does it have a core? Kenzie.
What about that one? What is that? We like,
I drew it, it was a 5, I made 2. Put that 2, I got it right.
There we go.
Five. Okay, you're good. Okay, so we don't know how many layers, right? Resources, we know what resources we can get from it? Did it mention anything? I remember I said one thing in particular, Logan.
Ironite. I think. No.
Mention ironite?
That's what.
Tristan.
That's the studying the land, because ironite, that's what makes it all rusty and stuff. That's what it said, it's rusty from
Ironite. So that's like red, right?
Yeah.
Mixed with oxygen, red. Anything, is there anything else that we didn't touch? At the core, touch that. Resources. Did they mention water?
No.
In the video?
They're doing the water.
Abby.
The white spot, the full spot is frozen water.
Polarized caps, right? That's the only thing it has. That's Olympus Mons, which is the big mountain, and then the polarized caps. Yes.
It says very little oxygen.
Good. Well, oxygen. Learned a lot from this little video.
It said there's barely any oxygen.
So, I just want to touch on this one more time. Who can tell me why its moons are shaped like this? Like broken rocks.
It doesn't get a lot of gravity.
Perfect, low gravity to pull, right? Why, so what would astronomers think, where do they think those moons came from?
Asteroid field or something.
Good. Bring it up here. So Mars caught them and they kind of just kept them in the orbit, but it's not strong enough to pull them into a perfect ball, right? Like the Earth is perfectly circular?
Yeah.
Answered everything, right?
Nope.
What? Tectonic plates, do they have tectonic plates?
I don't know.
We don't know from the video, so let's just circle that. That's something that we can still find out in the book we're gonna read, right?
Yeah.
Anything else we learned? Any other cool facts? Huh? Fourth planet, we knew that.
What two?
Here.
The ancient Egyptians think that it's not because of iron that it's red.
What is it?
I don't remember what it is.
So we might touch on that. Let's put that up here.
And then the Romans call it the war, the Romans, say that it's the, fair the war.
Okay, so that's something that we can touch on in the book, right? That's something we can even put in the W again if we want to find out in the book. Logan, last one.
The reason why people thought it was red a long time ago was because, they thought there was a lot of war there.
Like the Romans, right?
That's one.
Perfect.
Yeah, I think so.